Hi friends, welcome back to my channel where is Brittany. This travel series, Bussing It to Florida, was filmed slightly different from all of my adventures in the past. Documenting this trip kinda threw me for a loop. I'm normally the one with the keys in my hands, is my foot on the pedal, and I'm the one focusing on the open road. But as you saw, I had very special guests on board, and taking this 2,700-mile trip with my husband and 2 dogs opened my eyes to a different side of traveling in Domino. I became a certified passenger, and it was kinda nice. Well, I guess it's time to start now. Bussing It to Florida, a 2,700-mile cross-country trip. Our travel day started off a little late, and we struggled to get the pups settled. So we decided to make the first day of travel a really short one, so we could wake up bright and early the following day in hopes of crushing some serious miles. I pulled up one of my favorite travel apps and found this beautiful location where you were allowed to park on the beach. Welcome to 20 Mile Beach in Nevada. Cost $0.
Ay, ay. Baby, wanna whip with the boy for the one time. Okay, maybe one time. Roll it up and hit it for me one time. Cruise around the city, duck it one time. Shorty wanna whip with the boy in her free time. Make a little weed time. I ain't worried, baby, we gon' be fine. Riding like we never heard a street sign. I'm a great catch, baby, better act right. Get the digits, hit it that night. And I shine like a star, he a flashlight. Keep my energy and cash right. I be turtlenecked up cause the ice on my collar got it freezing. It ain't even that season. You came with a lane, but you left with a winner, that's treason. But a good enough reason. Brand new denim, two-tone like I just went tanning. I know one that she examined. I'm at the steakhouse knowing well I only want salmon. She gon' spread it like famine. Maybe don't play with your time cause you can't get it back. You should spend it how you want to. Tell that lame that it's dead for his. Then I bet you I never let him hump you. Baby wanna whip with the boy for the one time. Okay, maybe one time. Roll it up and hit it for me one time. Cruise around the city, duck it one time. Shorty wanna whip with the boy in her free time. Make a little weed time. I ain't worried, baby, we gon' be fine. Riding like we never heard a street sign. Look, girlie wanna match on the vibe this evening and thinking about leaving with me. Told me she been throwing back shots and she need some back shots. That's a bet sound even to me. I've been going nuts like brand new briefs. Got brand new teeth from the jeweler, not the dentist.
Good girl.
And I'm on some rare that you'll never see again. But I treat it like I got it on Pinterest. Let a player hit it like a cue ball, moving like a U-Haul. Shawty better act like she know how. I'm that same old that you knew from back then. They was acting brand new, but they know now. Put my pockets on protein, lungs tryna go green, looking like I came from the trainer. That's drumline status on it with the bands. Give a fuck about your mans, he a stranger. Baby wanna whip with the boy for the one time. Okay, maybe one time. Roll it up and hit it for me one time. Cruise around the city, duck it one time. Shorty wanna whip with the boy in her free time. Make a little weed time. I ain't worried, baby, we gon' be fine. Riding like we never heard a street sign. Shorty wanna whip with the boy cause I'm on now. They won't leave me alone now. See me on the TV in the hometown. I don't need them, get it on my own now. Baby wanna whip with the boy for the one time.
Hey girl!
Okay, maybe one time. Roll it up and hit it for me one time. Cruise around the city, duck it one time.
Jada, you want a treat? Hey guys. Come on guys, show off for the camera. Jada. Jada. What's this? What's this? You gonna up, 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 up. Good girl. Alright, Pug, your turn. Probably a bit too much just for you. Hey, back it up. Sit. Give me paw. Hey, come on, you know. You know. We're showing off for people. Okay, your sister's messing with you. But sit. Paw. Okay, give me this one then. Okay, you know what? I quit. You're both cute. Knock yourself out, Jada.
It's life to the fullest, to the fullest. Time flies, yet there's butterflies. My palms and in my eyes. Echoes from the other night. Gossip about our delight. What if we would join our forces? What a bliss. You make me understand this place in a whole different way. You make me wanna live this life to the fullest, to the fullest. I will read you love poems. Hope that you get convinced. Then I'll play something really slow and ask you to dance with me, even stay with me. You make me understand this place in a whole different way. You make me wanna live this life.
Oh my gosh, it's all the way around.
To the fullest.
Yeah.
You make me understand this place in a whole different way. You make me wanna
See you all Wednesday, 13 January, where I will announce the winners of my first monetized check from YouTube. Thank you all for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.